Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the second day of our first week in the digital learning environment. I hope that everyone is having an easy time figuring everything out and that this is going to be an easy experience for you. I know that this is very different than the physical classroom, but I think that everything is going to work out. We're still going to have attendance, and that's one of the first things that I'm going to cover in today's video. The way that I'm going to be doing attendance is through Edsby. I'm going to create a poll every single day. It's going to be a simple question that's going to be either a yes or a no or a quick question revolving around a previous lesson. And you're going to go ahead and vote, and it'll show me who's voted, and that's how I'm going to take attendance. So even if you already completed your assignments for the week, you need to go and check in every single day. And it's a pretty simple process, pretty painless. So make sure to do that every single day so you can get credit for being in attendance. Okay. The next thing that I'd like to cover for you guys is the outlets you will be using to doing their work and other things that will be needed in order to be successful in this digital learning environment. The first one is Remind, which I'm sure a lot of you guys are already using in your other classes. Remind will be the quickest way for me to contact the class as a whole or for you to reach out to me as an individual. It'll send a quick text message to your phone and allow you to respond. To sign up, you're going to go to remind.com where you make an account. And it asks you to add a class. It is 2020 LHS Ag, and I will send daily updates stating what I feel you should be doing for the day. Okay, next is ICEV. There will be plenty of assignments to this website, and it's very easy to use. There'll be plenty of PowerPoints, activities, and you'll go through it at your own pace, and so that's kind of nice. And to make this account, you'll need to go to the website. You'll need to put in the code PILMcWill001, and the rest of the information you put in is up to your own discretion. Next is the virtual textbooks. This is going to be the same textbook that you have in class, and a lot of our assignments will come from there, so you should be familiar with it. And we'll kind of go over it a little bit today during our mandatory lecture. What I would do is click on this link and then click Don't Have an Account, Create One, and your lunch number will be used as the student number. Next is Khan Academy, which we probably won't use as often, but I would just like everyone to be familiar and logged in there. It's another great resource which will contain several other assignments we may do while e-learning, and you're just going to click this link and use it as use the class code below. And finally, today, what we're going to go over is the first assignment and how I want it submitted. So the first assignment is on a document that I have uploaded. It's called the Stewards of the Land. And you're going to click on this link right here, 4 ways farmers steward the land, and you're going to use that to answer these questions. At one point, you're going to need to watch a video and access the weather website and list 7 weather conditions that might influence agricultural communities. Whether it's rain, snow, wind, all of those things would affect it, but you're going to go to the website and choose it on your own. Now, when you go to submit it, you're going to go and you're going to click here, and it will give you an opportunity to upload it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you guys all on Zoom. Remember, when you log onto Zoom, all of them are recorded, so you guys need to be on the behavior that I would expect from you in the physical classroom. I hope everyone has a great day.